darkest day in history. There on a cross they made for sins. Every curse is blood atoned. And final breath and it was finished. Not the end we could have known. When the earth began to shake and the veil was torn, the sacrifice was made as the heavens roar. And all hail King Jesus, and all hail the Lord of heaven and earth. All hail King Jesus, and all hail the Savior of the world. There was a moment when the sky lit up, a flash of light break, and all was lost. He crossed eternity. The King of life was on the move, for in a dark cold tomb your Lord was a miraculous breath that would forever change. All hail King Jesus, all hail the Lord of heaven and earth. All hail King Jesus, all hail the Savior of the world. All hail King Jesus, all hail Lord of heaven and earth. All hail Jesus, all hail the Savior of the Let every knee bow before the King of Kings. Let every tongue confess that He is Lord. Lift up your shout. Let us join with all of heaven, singing, sing, holy. We cry out, holy. Sing, holy. And all hail Jesus, and all hail the Lord of heaven and earth. All hail King Jesus, all hail the Savior of the world. Church, would you stand with me and worship our risen Savior, declaring that He is King Jesus. All hail King Jesus, all hail King
Father look good in heaven. So Christ is risen. God bless you.